Hello. In this video I will show you how to use Modbus Configuration Tool for Daviteq LoRaWAN sensor. First, please download the above two software in the user manual page, link in the description. Extract the file. Run the application file. Select the COM port to which the configuration cable connects to the PC. Click File, Import File, then select the template corresponding to the sensor you are configuring to import. Connect the configuration cable to the LoRaWAN sensor, then press Connect. The reading value column will display the values read from the LoRaWAN sensor. And the setting value column is where we will write the configuration value to the sensor. We will configure parameters of LoRaWAN sensor in this config section. Before configuration, we must write the password to the sensor to enable the configuration. The password will be as shown on the screen. We will use functions 3 and 16 to configure the sensor's parameters. Function 3 is to read holding registers and function 16 is to preset multiple registers. Next, use function 16 to write the password to the sensor to enable configuration, then check the box on the left to confirm running the function. When it shows OK in the read value column, we can proceed to configure the sensor. For example, I will write the new application EUI into the LoRaWAN sensor. Uncheck the box to stop reading the value and then select function 16. Then write your new application EUI in the setting value column. Check the box to write the new application EUI to the sensor. When the reading value column of the application EUI shows OK, it means that the new application EUI value has been successfully written to the sensor. Now switch to function 3 to read the value you just wrote, then check the box to run the function. As you can see, the software shows the timeout because it's been more than 60 seconds since the sensor was powered on. We can only configure for the first 60 seconds after powering the sensor. All we have to do now is disconnect the configuration cable with the LoRaWAN sensor. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Then reconnect the configuration cable to the sensor. Here I press the clear button to refresh the read value column so we can see the current value of the sensor. As you can see, the new application EUI has been written to the LoRaWAN sensor. Follow the same steps to write other values to the sensor. But remember that after each powering sensor, for the first 60 seconds you must first write the password to enable configuration. After 60 seconds, the sensor cannot be configured. To continue, disconnect the configuration cable and the sensor and then reconnect it. Thank you for watching.